Hello, I am Leah Dodd and welcome to my ideation process video. I always go to Pinterest to help me get inspired or think of a concept for a project, and I'll usually just scroll the home page to see if anything catches my eye, such as colors, cats playing with fishes, or textures. If I don't find anything interesting, then I'll start putting in keywords, such as ocean creatures. See if anything catches my eye. If not, I'll just keep searching different keywords. Usually my go-to inspiration is nature, um, and I will look for textures or different scenery um, or creatures and just see if anything catches my eye. I tend to find that nature is very inspiring, and I've used different aspects of nature in a couple of my past projects as well. If I'm not feeling inspired, I'll usually look up color palettes to see if any colors pop out to me and go from there. For my capstone project, I decided to use textures found in the ocean, so I looked up the keywords and scrolled the page to see if anything popped out at me. And if something did, I'll usually just scroll down to look at more like this and just find all the images that I like and put them in a folder. I can end up being on Pinterest for hours just looking up images or changing my idea and looking up other images. And this process is probably one of the most time-consuming parts of my ideation process. When it comes to putting work in my sketchbook, I would say I spend maybe the least time on this because I just put in drawings or doodles, design ideas in here, and I don't really document like different yarns I'm using or notes or trial and errors, which could be seen as a problem, but I personally haven't found it helpful. When it came to doing sketchbook work for my capstone, I tried to put more ideas, more images, more notes, plans for my capstone in my sketchbook, but then it ended up being more drawings and design ideas and less documentation of yarns, of failures and successes in the design process, which is something that I should work on when going into the professional environment, as it would be helpful then. So yeah, this is my ideation process of researching my inspiration, concept, end use on Pinterest, and then going to my sketchbook and working in studio.